here another product line is called Grow. So you can use these different sensors with microcontrollers. So we have about 300 of these different sensors actuators. So you can connect it with the controller very conveniently to build a proof of concept maybe within a few hours.
Okay, my name is Olayinka Oni. I'm the Chief Digital Officer for Sterling Bank. With an asset base of about 1 trillion, my job on a daily basis basically includes trying to protect the franchise, which basically means being responsible for technology. I manage all the technology capability of the organization and all the interfaces of that with our stakeholders, customers, regulators, and the like. I think the thing is people are innovative. There's just a whole lot of brilliant ideas coming out of Africa. I think we're also flipping the script, so it's not as if we're necessarily copying what necessarily is the scripts in developed countries. So I think we're actually being that innovative and creative to solve our own local challenging problems, as it were. So I think that's something that we're not short of ideas, and I think that's something that definitely is working. Our understanding of this is entrepreneurs or startups going over 5 Asian countries trying to necessarily build networks and potentially access funding. Obviously, before they can do that, they must have a product that have market acceptability, as it were, and people really an opportunity also to scale. I think this just resonates with our whole idea of wanting to create successful Nigerian businesses, as it were, and I think it was just easy for us to commit to that because we think that this may necessarily give back to opportunities of companies that have an opportunity to build something that can scale.
Co-founder of Pitchdrive Asia, where we provide better health insurance for Africans right now starting from Nigeria. We use mobile phones, telemedicine, and data science to provide health insurance that's cheaper and easier to access.